Have you ever pondered the enigma of the ancient pyramids? These colossal structures that have stood the test of time, silently whispering the secrets of an era long past. Today we embark on a fascinating journey through time, exploring the mysteries of the pyramids, from their construction to their incredible discovery. Picture this. Over 4,500 years ago, the ancient Egyptians embarked on an ambitious project, the building of the Great Pyramids. A task that required nothing short of ingenuity, perseverance, and an unwavering devotion to their pharaohs. These pyramids, primarily built as tombs, were a testament to the power and majesty of their divine rulers. Now one might wonder, how were these architectural marvels constructed? The answer lies in the ingenious methods employed by the ancient Egyptians. They used a system of simple machines, like levers and inclined planes, to move and lift the heavy stones. A feat of engineering that is a testament to their advanced understanding of physics and mathematics. Fast forward a few thousand years to the 19th century, a time of exploration and discovery. The world turned its gaze to Egypt, intrigued by its ancient history and the secrets buried beneath its sands. It was then that the pyramids, the last of the seven wonders of the ancient world still in existence, were rediscovered. The discovery of the pyramids fascinated the world. Scholars and adventurers alike flocked to Egypt, driven by a desire to uncover their secrets. The pyramids, once tombs for the pharaohs, became a source of endless fascination, their hieroglyph-covered walls providing invaluable insights into the rich and complex history of ancient Egypt. Now, as we step back and look at the grand scheme of things, we begin to grasp the profound significance of the pyramids. They are not merely architectural marvels, but symbols of human ambition, ingenuity, and the enduring desire to leave a mark on the sands of time. To summarize, we journeyed back to the time when the pyramids were built, marveled at the ingenious methods employed by the ancient Egyptians, and explored the fascinating era of their discovery. We delved into the rich history of ancient Egypt and contemplated the profound significance of these colossal structures. So, the next time you gaze upon the pyramids, remember, they are more than just stone and sand. They are a testament to human ambition, a symbol of our enduring desire to transcend the confines of our mortality, and a beacon of our never-ending quest for knowledge. And as they stand, silently watching over the sands of Egypt, they continue to whisper their secrets, waiting for those willing to listen.